Hey guys, it's Popeye Tech here, and I just did the February 2022 update for the Surface Duo 2, and right after I got the update, somebody sent me a message on Facebook Messenger. So this is a bug that I kind of just discovered just using Facebook Messenger. I don't know if there's any other bugs out there, and I already updated the Facebook Messenger in the Google Play Store. And it seems to sometimes be random, but I'm just going to go through my experiences with it. Even though this is a bug, I'm still a huge fan of using the Surface Duo. I mean, what device doesn't really have any bugs anyway, but I really do like the Surface Duo in terms of device. It's more exciting than your normal slate phone. But let's get to this. And basically here what I have is I have nothing running in my background. And if I launch Facebook Messenger, and here if you get how you get a post or something like that, and you want to put a reaction to it, like a emoticon or emoji. Let's say if I press on it here, and you see that they pop up in the middle which ones I want to use, but if you notice, I'm pressing and nothing seems to work. Okay, so let's see, let me try that again on a different post, and it's not working. Let me go ahead and close this app to show you. I'll open it again. Okay, and same thing, and I have no function. At first I thought it was maybe touch, but obviously it's not. And then what I also tried to do is, let's see, if I turn it to kind of a portrait, you'll notice that it shrinks itself, but when you click on it, it will expand itself. When I do it now it works. Okay, so I can like change my reaction. It works now. So I don't understand why that is in terms of, let's see if I now, let's close the app again and open it up and see if it reoccurs again. So now it seems to be working, but like I said, it seems to be a little bit random. Could it be the app? The app itself, the Facebook, but I had already updated it, so I don't really know. The other bug that I also discovered is when you span Facebook Messenger, and every time, like now this is still in book mode or landscape mode. I don't know why you would want to span it in this way, because you have the middle bar, the middle area is missing. But if anytime I try to hold to add a reaction to it, it automatically rotates the screen. Okay, so then when I go back and let's say I'm gonna turn it over to to portrait mode, kind of, and this way it's a lot because you can view more content this way and stuff like that, and so this is more feasible to look at. Everything's bigger and everything, but at the same thing, if I try to press to add a reaction or an emoticon to it, it's going to rotate. So here I go. Okay, so all of that is a little bit silly. Okay, so please let me know if you guys are having the same issues or any of the same problems, similar bug like this. So I'm just curious, and if also let me know if you found something else. I mean, I'm pretty sure that there's probably other apps that might have some bugs, and it's it is a little bit concerning that I love the device, but it seems sometimes every time there's an update there seems to be some kind of issue or problem with it. But anyway, let me know in the comments if you have a solution to the Facebook Messenger, or maybe an update from Facebook might remedy that and fix that in the future. It's possible, but this is just something I just discovered just like right now, right after the update. Anyway, thanks for listening to and watching my video here. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.